emergency broadcast. Two teenagers, last seen at Audubon Park, have been reported missing. Jacob Anders, a 17-year-old boy, stands at approximately 6 feet tall, with light brown hair, blue eyes, and a lean build. He was wearing a red hoodie and jeans at the time of disappearance. Olivia Lee, 16 years old, stands at 5 feet 5 inches, with dark curly hair, green eyes, and a slender build. She was last seen wearing a gray sweater and black leggings. Witnesses in the vicinity reported sightings of individuals in various costumes near the area where the teenagers were last seen. Authorities urge anyone with information or who might have witnessed any suspicious activities to come forward promptly. Please exercise caution and avoid interacting with any individuals displaying suspicious behavior.
More isn't being done. Karima Moore is found.
Beware the aisles of infamous gore. Dust off your favorites and seal your fate. Pay the price if you return too late. Killer Classics playing all this month on Paramount Network.
Hi, you don't want to report the suspicious person in the area?
Yeah, some guy popped out of the woods, scared my daughter half to death, offered her something to go into the woods with him, and then that's when I called you guys.
Okay, do you have a description of what he looked like?
Yeah, he's wearing blue overalls and a green shirt.
Okay, well don't worry, I'm going to locate him and see what he's up to.
Okay, thank you.
Recent reports indicate a surge in clown sightings across the nation, coinciding with a troubling escalation in the number of missing children. Massachusetts, too, has witnessed an uptick in these unsettling events. Parents and guardians, in consideration of the evolving situation, it is strongly advised to exercise caution and reevaluate plans for trick-or-treating activities this Halloween. We understand the significance of this festive tradition, but in light of the current circumstances, we urge you to carefully deliberate on participating in such activities. At this time, the state government refrains from mandating or enforcing any prohibition on Halloween events. The decision to participate in trick-or-treating or other festivities remains in the hands of parents and caregivers, emphasizing the importance of prioritizing the safety and well-being of children. We understand the significance of this situation and will continue to monitor and provide updates as more information becomes available.
On this Halloween night, reports of a distressing surge in child disappearances have emerged, coinciding with a troubling increase in clown sightings across various localities. This alarming trend has set communities on edge, prompting a mix of concern and resolve among citizens grappling with the decision to proceed with or alter their Halloween events. Throughout the evening, an uptick in missing children reports has unfolded, often linked to concurrent sightings of individuals adorned in clown attire. The growing unease and fear have spread throughout the public, while a wave of apprehension has led many to cancel or downscale their Halloween festivities. Out of an abundance of caution, several cities have chosen to press on with their scheduled events. This decision has generated discussions within communities, reflecting a delicate balance between preserving the spirit of Halloween and ensuring